Today's sex pioneer is Justyna Wydrzynska. Justyna is an abortion activist, doula, and co-founder of Abortion Dream Team, which is an activist collective that campaigns against abortion stigma in Poland and offers trainings and non-judgmental advice on how to get a safe abortion. Justyna was also the first person in Europe to be convicted for helping another woman get an abortion. So she was arrested in November 2021 for sending a woman abortion pills through the mail. Now, Polish law doesn't criminalize having an abortion, but it is illegal for someone to provide or assist someone with having an abortion outside of some highly restricted grounds. And these are when the pregnancy is a result of a criminal act or the woman's health or life is in danger. So because of this, one of the charges that Justyna was facing was the intent to aid an abortion. Now, she never denied the fact that she mailed the abortion pills, but her defense that doing so wasn't a crime, instead it was an act of human rights, compassion, and grace. It was one woman helping another. The woman seeking an abortion was in an abusive relationship, and Justyna was a survivor of a violent relationship herself. Ultimately, she was found guilty and sentenced to 8 months of community service at 30 hours a week for helping to aid an abortion. But she is still incredibly dedicated to her work, and her arrest actually sparked an international outcry. Nearly 100 members of the European Parliament signed a letter to the Polish government calling for the charges to be dropped. Amnesty International collected more than 50,000 signatures on a petition, and a whole bunch of organisations sent letters and amicus briefs which are meant to help influence the court's decision. And the trial has actually led to more people in Poland being supportive of abortion. And because of how public it was, it also helped increase awareness about where people can get a safe abortion. We commend Justyna for her tireless efforts and activism in this space. If you'd like to learn more about Justyna's story and her activism, we'd recommend you check out this article that was written for The Nation. Let us know in the comments if there's a sex pioneer that you think we should cover. And make sure to subscribe to our channel so that you can keep up with our Sex Pioneer series.